We're gonna go fish.
Okay.
Let's go. On the way with these guys, crazy guys. Hey, what's up? This is Aaron and this is Adrian. This is my sister kids.
And you can sing biscuit.
So, all right, security first. Give me that. Give me. Alright, this is the place I have been here. Was it when I was younger? I always come here with my parents. So this time I'm taking my sister kids. Hey! Vad säger man?
Jag vet inte.
Du vet inte. You don't want to speak. But just imagine, just forest and green everywhere. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's enough. No, it's enough. One more. Vad sa du, Adrian?
Någonstans fanns det väl lax här?
Någonstans var det lax. So this white house over there. Yeah, they say this ghost in that. Spökar. Yeah.
Inga båtar eller.
And I remember we fished under the bridge somewhere here. No, it's more far down.
Eddie,
Yeah.
du såg inte.
What?
Jag tror det var en fisk.
So yeah, so they have stories in the night. They have ghosts in the White Castle. It's so old, this castle. I think it's like 600-700 years old over there. You
Där
guys
borta
don't
ska
see
det
it.
gå. Andy, du ska gå den här vägen.
So beautiful, so clean. It's an amazing place. Beautiful. So we're gonna go for. Hey, what's up, guys? So we're gonna go for. I think we have pikes here and perch. Sorry, perch. Pike and perch. Försiktigt.
Och båten.
Klara? Mm?
Ja.
Let's go. Hey. Be careful.
Vadå?
Be careful.
Var det bekvämt?
Var försiktig.
Wow,
Wow.
so good. Apples. Får vi på massa fisk?
Ja.
Ha?
Ja.
Tror du vi kommer få många?
Ja.
Hur många?
Ja.
Vadå ja? Hur många får vi?
1000.
Alright, so beautiful here.
Miljarder. Det var miljarder.
Free apples from nature. Oh. Take it.
Vänta, jag har inte kommit.
Be careful. I don't have the key, you have the key. Here. Oh. Make it good. All right.
Det går inte att lägga in den. Så.
All right. Let's fix the gear first and then we go out.
Då ska vi lägga nyckeln och låset.
Du kan hänga loss den där den är.
Med nyckeln?
Nej, nyckeln tar vi.
Här.
Men stäng. Close this.
Vad ska vi göra med den här? Ska vi lägga in den här i båten?
Mhm.
Eller ska vi lägga in bandet i båten?
Ja, det ska vi göra.
Hål i mitt knä.
Okay, good.
Av båt, av motorn.
Did you fix it good?
Ja.
Och den så motorn kan vara...
I want to fish with the diver.
Diver? What do you mean you want to fish with diver?
The diver.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can fish with the diver. One. Here, fix it. Mm-hmm. This is 15 to 50 gram. You can take a big one or small one. Choose whatever you want, but choose careful because I will tell you which one is not good and which one is good.
Jag väljer den.
Den har jag gjort.
Ja, då väljer jag den.
This one.
Yeah, use that one then.
This.
This one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that.
Får
I
jag
would-
knyta fast
And I
den?
will choose this jig.
Okay.
Annie,
alright.
får jag knyta fast den?
No, I will help you.
Jag ska hämta mitt band.
Come on, vänta. So, go inside.
Här ska jag hålla mig. Jag är redan på att den ska vänta.
Shh, hey, stop. Alright. Waiting for Audrey. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Okay, you know how to do.
Yeah.
Do you know how to start it? Let's just start it. Hey, just start it.
The grund här.
It's okay, just start it. I will push us up. Just pump. Be careful, Aaron. Wow. Careful. And don't leave too much line out. Wait. Go to the other side. Hold your line over there. Okay, open this and just hold it. Hold it. I tell you when you're gonna close. Don't close. Don't close. Don't close. Leave it open. Leave it open. Leave it open, 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 leave it open. Alright. Just hold it outside. Hold it good hard. I think we're going to back there. It's not windy. It's so windy here. Yeah. You have?
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, jag ska säga. Gud. Jag har det.
Look at the bite mark.
Jag
You have bite mark? You don't have...
Nej.
It's brand new. Look.
Får jag
Right
kasta?
there.
Får jag kasta?
No, I cast for you.
Nej, jag tror det
Gud,
släppte.
It's brand new and I got the worst bite.
Det
Okay.
släppte.
Oh,
Shit.
okay, go. Faster.
Jag tror jag. Ja, jag har det. Jag tror jag har.
Come on. Faster. More down.
Jag känner något tungt. Oj, shit.
More down.
Tänk om jag får fisken nu. Tänk om jag har. Jag vill bara se.
Come on.
Men snälla.
Mina kompisar kan inte starta.
fort. High five. What do you have? Do you have fish?
Adrian, får jag kasta i den sen?
I think it's a perch, I'm not sure.
What do you think?
I think it's a perch.
Or fish?
Is it a small one?
Yeah,
Super small one?
I think so.
Fish?
Perch, huh?
Har du kvar den?
Yeah,
Har du kvar den?
I feel it vibrating. Oh, I think I lost it.
You think you lost it?
Wait.
You didn't have a fish from the beginning.
I did.
You're just joking with us.
I did have a fish.
Alright, you didn't have.
Look. Look. Wasn't it a fish? It took everything. I have another one.
Yeah, no, but I think it's working because they are attracted to this one, you know?
Okay.
Alright?
I had it's exactly one,
Let it be.
this one, but it got destroyed because so many pikes ate it.
Alright, let's change to another one.
One last
I've been
one.
trying the jig. Alright, Aaron, let's change this one to another one, okay?
Ska vara högre.
Okay.
Men...
No, it's good, it's good.
Adrian!
Alright, give it to me. Give it to me.
Kasta exakt vid skörden.
Okay, let's give it to me.
Varför kastar du i ankan?
We're just gonna stay here.
Annie! Jag tar emot den här rammen.
Alright, he wants the perch.
Scary Mary Shelly, assassino shuno, tano kano trono, tano sando, tano tano.
Adrian, Aaron, take it down, relax. Slowly, don't take it.
Men det kommer mot mig, jag måste det.
Okay, relax. Alright guys, I've been fishing 1.5 hours.
Den fastnar i motorn.
Relax,
Den fastnar i motorn.
let it be.
Den fastnar i motorn.
Okay. Lines everywhere.
Har
It's a pike.
It's a surprise! Oj.
Du trampade på spö.
Oh,
Skit i.
I lost
cares?
it. I lost it. But can you sit, please?
Men mitt skå!
Hello. Är jag på det?
Oj, vilken spin! Relax. Put it down.
Yes.
Put down your...
Får jag kasta i den? Får
Nej.
jag kasta i den? Ska vi behålla den?
Oh, it's a good one.
It's a really nice one.
Ska vi behålla den?
Look at that. Let him take also.
Får jag kasta i
Can
den?
you hold it?
Nej, får jag kasta i den?
Nej, vi ska inte kasta i den.
Vad ska vi göra?
Yeah, but let him throw it inside. Let him hold it.
Munnen.
Oh!
Nej!
Munnen! Kom
Kom
igen!
igen, hålla här!
Du kommer inte sticka dig. Show the camera.
Aaron,
Show the
show
camera.
me. Hey!
Vad ska vi göra med den, Adrian?
Great. You can
Hey!
release it. Take
Adrian, vad
it
ska vi göra?
easy.
Jag tror
Just release it.
jag får releasa.
Nej!
Let him release it.
Han är min fisk.
It's okay. Let him release it.
Yeah! Nej, jag vill kasta den! Jag vill kasta den! Nej.
Det här är stället.
Let Aaron to catch one also.
Okay.
If you catch the next one, give it to Aaron.
Nu! Adrian,
Hey.
nu vågar jag lägga in munnen.
Show us, Aaron. Show the fish.
Oh shit!
Visa.
Show the fish. Hey.
Oh shit, taggarna är vassa. Den här taggen är vassa.
Okay, put it in. Put it in.
Så.
Now.
I think I got a fish. Den vibrerar extra mycket. Åh! Då, Vanna bor där bakom. Stäng av motorn, stäng av motorn, stäng av motorn, stäng av motorn! Herregud vad nära det var. Den var så nära motorn. Jag såg att den håller på att gå in i motorn. Yeah, Aron got a fish!
Nej, jag vill slippa.
Ja. Ah!
Okej, Emil.
Visa kameran.
Du är här.
Visa kameran.
Du är här.
Okej. Släpp in den. Kiss the fish, kiss the fish. Släpp in den. Släpp in den.
Släpp den! Right. It's wet. It's wet.
Oh.
Yeah. I think it's enough. We have a lot.
Okay.
We need some sticks for this. Oh,
I will find some.
don't go in the bushes. All right, guys. Shh. We have the crazy guy over there fighting with himself. Perfect fire. Så. Hey, perfect. All right. So this is Swedish classic barbecue sausage, and this is the cheapest you can find, but it's the best one. Mustard, ketchup. That's it. Nothing more. I think I'm gonna have two, and this guy's gonna have all of them. Aron? Oi. Did you fix? Oh. Yeah, Adrian just got a fish, and Aron. Hey, wait. This short midget, 80 centimeter, his mouth is just going non-stop. Hey, you're an expert in everything. Can you come here and show us how to grill? Please.
Kom och visa hur du grillar.
I heard you're the number one. Yeah. So, show
Vad
people.
får du bilder på?
Visa alla. Show what svensk korv är.
Det är inte svensk korv, det är italiensk korv.
Är det italiensk korv? How much you want?
Toppen.
Stop. All right.
Den är stel.
All right. Ketchup?
Yeah.
How much?
It's good.
Vart är min vattenflaska?
All right. We're doing ketchup. I like a lot of ketchup.
Jag skämtar inte. Vart är min vattenflaska?
I like a lot of senap. Mustard.
I love mustard also. It's so crazy. I really craving from this, from Bali. Oh, so good.
Water?
Mm-mm.
Vatten. Mat!
Oh, so good.
Är det mat?
Mm-hmm. Right, this guy getting fish again and again and again.
I think I got a big perch.
Andy, kan du hjälpa mig?
We just give it. Wait 2 seconds. Let Adrian take out his fish.
I did it, I did it.
It's a big perch.
Den gädda. Det är gädda.
It is a perch.
Det är gädda.
Shh,
Det är
relax.
gädda.
It's giant.
Take it down. Take it down. Relax. Relax.
Fish den.
Wow.
Giant perch.
Ska vi ta hem den?
Let's go.
Hey, relax.
Får jag hålla den kvar?
Let me take it out.
Don't do that. Never.
Let me do it.
Yeah, sure. It's your fish.
It's a giant perch.
Go back. Go back. Wow. Hey guys, it looks really amazing.
Får jag också
Yeah,
hålla?
give it
Yeah.
second.
Wow.
Wow, it looks so good.
Får jag hålla?
Let me take a picture of you also.
Fullt med blodiga.
What is it? Oh no.
Kolla. Ser du de där små? Det är kryp.
Yeah.
It's
All
okay,
right.
I don't care.
Adrian, jag vill hålla.
Let me take a picture of him. Let me take a picture of him. Don't stress him. Okay, go sit down. Sit down. The boat is not so big. Just sit down. Tryck fram den. It's
Right there.
37.
Yeah.
37. It looks good. It looks really beautiful. All right.
Yeah.
Give it a really nice release.
Okay.
Beautiful release. You want
Blöder.
to hold it?
Nej, jag vill.
Okay.
Adrian, du får hålla den och jag.
Be careful.
Vänta, vart är mitt spö?
Wow.
Wow. Hey,
It was
I'm really proud
nice.
of you. I'm really proud of you. Give me 5. All right. So
That's
amazing.
another one.
Adrian,
Let's do it. Another one. That one is really good.
Yeah,
It's
this
really
Adrian,
good.
kan du fixa?
I will fix it for you. Just give it a
Jag
second.
blöder i handen.
Another fish.
Jag hade...
Come on, Aron.
Another fish. Master fisherman.
Come on, Aron. I think you should give it to Aron to take it in.
Jag får ingen.
Don't be
Yeah, this
selfish.
This is the big one.
Are you sure?
Next one I will give him. Even
Are
if
you sure?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not.
Ja.
I
Andy,
don't know.
jag tror att jag fastnar.
Då fast. Oh.
Vänta, vart är fiskar? Jag ska ta upp den.
Right.
Oh, Iman.
Yeah. Relax. Relax. Take it down. No, don't push it up. Wow, what's happened with this water? I never seen it like this. I
Andy,
never.
ta den i munnen.
Okay, relax.
Ta den i munnen.
I never seen. Why is the fish like this?
Får jag klappa? Får jag klappa?
I never seen him like this. He's super swim.
It has a bite mark, look.
Yeah, a big one.
I think...
A really big.
Gimme.
Yeah, okay, let me hold it. I just... Alright. Guys, I cut my hand all the way.
Jag vill inte ha med.
Alright.
It's
Hold
heavy.
it straight, straight, always straight. You need to hold it always straight.
Oh,
Look at me. Look at fish. Look at the fish. Ah, guys, my hand is destroyed.
Get on.
Yes, it's hurting. Of course, it's hurting.
Den är lite smörig.
So, alright. Alright, let it go. Let it go. Slowly.
Just det, mitt spö. Vad är
Okej.
mitt spö?
Ska du ha kameran?
Nej, jag satte på kameran.
Oh, vi får
Nej, är inte så djupt här alltså. It's not so deep here. Guys, I'm speaking Swedish and Swedish and try to translate everything because Aron don't want to speak another language in Swedish. So, wow.
Best bait of today.
Which one? Yeah, you don't have it anymore.
Oh.
They literally destroy it. Actually, Adrian was the lucky guy today.
Är det en minifisk?
Ja.
Minifisk.
Ja, tyst.